What's going on, Facebook? Happy Saturday. Hope you're having a phenomenal day. Justin Halliday here. I had to live stream this, guys. I'm going to live stream this. I got my boys here are about to watch. Very, very excited. Just made it home, and so I thought I would share this with you. Honey, if you'll come over here. My wife is going to actually hold this, and I'm going to take you guys through the unboxing. I know some of you have been watching. I guess about 2 months ago for my birthday, I got my first RC car, and I got this Traxxas Rustler, and it's killer, guys. We've had a lot of fun ripping around and smashing it through the parks and dirt tracks and all that sort of stuff, but it's now time to upgrade, and so I just got back from the RC car shop, guys. These are the kind of things that you can do when you have disposable income. Like, I'm going to plug it here, guys. It's Saturday, and we made about $7 grand today. Did anybody hear that? We made about $7,000 today while we were out riding around. Like, that's what we got going on. And so for the first time really in a long time, I treated myself to a gift. The boys are super excited, right? Are you excited? And so my wife is going to take the camera here. I'm going to flip this around, and I'm going to give you guys the first look at this thing. Look at this thing. Is that not ridiculous? Look at that thing. See that right there? 60 miles per hour plus. That is the Kraton. So here, buddy, you take this, and we're going to do an unboxing video. We're going to take a look at this monster. Look at the size of the box, guys, compared to my head. So here we go. So let's see here. We got here the remote. In fact, you go in the truck. There's batteries in the center console. You wait here. You won't be able to find them. So we got our receiver here. Wah, wah. You can hold that. Don't pull the trigger. Sit down. I got something for you too. All right. So let's see. How do we get this thing out of here? This thing is massive. Yes, no, there's no batteries in it, dude, but don't pull the trigger, okay?
That is cool.
Look at the size of this car, guys. Can you see this? Look at the size of this thing. Woo-hoo-hoo! Don't touch it, boys. Look at this car. So we've got our clips here. The clips actually stay on. So this thing comes with a souped up battery. It's a 6-cell battery. Check out the shocks on this thing. Woo! Can you get a zoom in on that? Look at those. Look at those. All aluminum. Aluminum body frame for the smashes. Shocks in the back. Are you seeing this thing, guys? We're going to be smashing this around in the yard, and we're going to head over to the park, and I'm going to get some videos for you guys. So the Kraton, 60 miles an hour plus. Get that right here. Look at this. All aftermarket parts. This is the big, big, big league. Look at the size of the tires. Guys, if you're loving this, if you think this is the coolest thing you've ever seen, drop some hearts, drop some likes. I know I'm super excited. We're going to get the battery charged up in the back. Guys, are you excited to ride this thing?
Yeah!
Woo! So there you have it, guys. That's what we do around here. This is our Saturday. Again, we made $7 grand today. $7 grand. We get paid every day out of the wallet. $1,000 a day from the wallet. Guys, we're contributing to the church. We just dropped off a bunch of, well, we are going to drop off a bunch of t-shirts. We bought a bunch of school supplies for the community, for some of the elementary schools. These are the things we get to do when we have financial freedom and when we have time freedom. Guys, message me. I was talking to the guy in the RC shop about the wallet, and he's like, dude, that sounds so good. What do you do? I said, well, I'm involved in crypto and Forex. He's like, what do you do? And so I showed him a little bit about Cloud Token. He's so excited. He's probably watching this video. He said, send me the app. He says, man, I'm retired. I would love to get involved in Bitcoin and crypto. And so from simply sharing this mobile app, which is free, decentralized, it's got travel, it's got a MasterCard coming, it's got all the security, for sharing this mobile wallet around for the last 3 months, we have over 100,000 tokens. They're 50 cents a token, and we get paid $1,000 a day. We're working in the Forex market. If you need help, if you want to leverage your income, if you want to break away from your 9 to 5, if you want to be able to buy yourself nice gifts like this, if you want to be able to contribute to your community, if you're just looking to live your dream life, guys, drop a comment below. I would love to get you some information and help you do exactly that. So listen, honey, go ahead and shut it off. You guys have a great day. We're going to go smash this truck around.